Important parts of a power transformer. A transformer is a device that transfers electrical energy from one circuit to another by using electromagnetic induction. Here are some of the major parts of a transformer and their functions. Tank. The tank is the enclosure that houses the core and windings of the transformer. The tank is usually made of steel or aluminum and has a cover that can be opened for inspection and maintenance. The tank also contains transformer oil, which acts as an insulator and a coolant. Core. The core is the central part of the transformer that supports the windings and provides a low reluctance path for the magnetic flux. The core is made of thin sheets of steel laminated together and insulated by a thin layer of material. The steel sheets are oriented in a way that reduces the losses due to hysteresis and eddy currents. Windings. The windings are coils of copper or aluminum conductors that carry the alternating current and generate the magnetic flux. The windings are insulated from each other and from the core. The primary winding is connected to the input voltage source and the secondary winding is connected to the output load. The ratio of turns in the primary and secondary windings determines the voltage transformation. Insulation. Insulation is the material that prevents electrical contact between different parts of the transformer and protects them from moisture, dust, and other contaminants. Insulation can be paper, varnish, resin, oil, or gas depending on the type and rating of the transformer. Terminals and bushings. Terminals are the points where the windings are connected to the external circuits. Bushings are insulating devices that allow the terminals to pass through the tank wall without causing leakage or short circuit. Bushings can be porcelain, epoxy, or rubber depending on the voltage level. Transformer oil. Transformer oil is a special type of mineral oil that fills the tank and surrounds the core and windings. Transformer oil has high dielectric strength, thermal conductivity, and chemical stability. It serves as an insulator and a coolant for the transformer. It also protects the transformer from oxidation, corrosion, and moisture. Oil conservator. Oil conservator is a cylindrical tank attached to the main tank of the transformer. It acts as a reservoir for excess oil that expands due to temperature changes. It also maintains a positive pressure inside the main tank and prevents air ingress. Breather. Breather is a device that allows air to enter and exit the oil conservator as the oil level changes. It also filters out moisture and dust from the air to keep the oil clean and dry. Radiators and fans. Radiators are metal fins attached to the sides of the tank that increase the surface area for heat dissipation. Fans are electric motors that blow air over the radiators to enhance cooling. Radiators and fans are used for large transformers that generate more heat than can be removed by natural convection. Cooling tubes. Cooling tubes are pipes that circulate water or another fluid through the tank to cool down the transformer oil. Cooling tubes are used for very large transformers that require more efficient cooling than radiators and fans can provide. Tap changer. Tap changer is a device that allows changing the number of turns in one of the windings to adjust the output voltage according to load variations. Tap changer can be manual or automatic depending on how frequently it needs to be operated. Buchholz relay. Buchholz relay is a protection device that detects gas bubbles in the transformer oil due to internal faults such as short circuits, overheating, or insulation breakdown. Buchholz relay triggers an alarm or trips the circuit breaker when it senses a gas accumulation above a certain level. Explosion vent. An explosion vent is a safety device that releases pressure from inside. It is like the safety valve for a pressure cooker.